thank every one of you this evening and wish you a successful and enjoyable evening. Our mommy this evening would be to borrow it's a trade speech of a company called Toshiba. They say good thinking, good products. We're here celebrating a special product. The quality we have all enumerated here. It is not out of place. It is because the product came out from a well-disciplined background. You can't give what you don't have. Somebody said you're loyal. And I know some people will ask if I'm loyal. So it's a big question. But the truth about it is, you can't give what you don't have. You give only what is inside. You might be pretending, but when the time comes, the good thing inside you will always sell you. That is truth. So I want to join the body of benchers this evening to say that you're lucky, you are blessed to have a special being amongst you. And she has done her best. Maybe if the tenure of the body of benchers as a chairman is for 2 years, might have added to what she has already done. But I think opportunities will still come for you to continue to support and uplift and give a standard to this noble body. I'm really happy when I see a lot of you. We're not saying that we don't have the ones that are also bringing this race. But the truth about it is, when you see those ones that are good, special breed, they are not hidden. You'll want to associate with them. And I'm happy, without any fear of whatever, to be associated to this family. Within the period that we became very close, I've learned a lot. I've learned, although I'm a very patient person, but I've learned that you add perseverance to patience, you can conquer anything in this world. So I want to thank the judiciary for what you're doing. Continue to be strong. Continue to keep the standard. It's important. You're turning out a lot of lawyers every day. It is important for discipline. It's important to have standard. That is the only way we can save our dear country. That is the only way you can also save me. You know, I have a lot of battles. So if the standard is not there, then I'm gone. So maybe I'm trying to speak for my own defense. But in all, I'm happy to be here with you, to enjoy this evening with you, and to wish the incoming chairman the best. You're taking over from the chairman that has set a standard, and I know you're going to build on that standard. You don't want me to talk again? Huh? Is it a sabotage?
Let me get a cold one. Let me get a cold one.
What we did this evening is a sent forth party for the outgoing chairman of Body of Benchers, and is a night of celebrating excellence, not just in the Supreme Court. She has made a mark right from the time while she was a judge in our state, Rivers State. She did excellent job. From there, she got promoted to the Court of Appeal. From Court of Appeal, she got to the Supreme Court. Those are line of diligent work and commitment to duty. You also saw the documentary of her life of excellence. So when it comes to the issue of her life as a judiciary officer, it's excellent. The records are there. It's not something, if I have to enumerate them, it will take us days to mention from one particular item to another. But the issue is that, like I said there, it's only a good product that can be called a good product. So she's from a good product and she's excellent.